Okay guys, we're out here today in Vista. The gas machines we're gonna be picking up today. There's 3 of them. This one's pulled apart. Got this huge one and that big one. This is the heaviest one. So we're gonna take them, ramp them up, pull the ramps out, get them all loaded up. All these are gonna be recycled 100%. So we just gotta get them loaded up. So stay tuned, we'll pull the winch out. We'll show you how we do this. All cleaned up. 3 big ass machines inside the truck. So holy shit, you need us, give us a call for all your big ass machines removal. Heavy machinery, no problem. We got the ramp, we got the Kraken. Whatever you need, give us a call. We'll go off to the recycler. So stay tuned. Let's see.